In this section, we're going to learn how to test filters. Filters are fairly easy and straightforward to test. We only have one filter in our application, the durations filter, so we're going to write a test for that. The durations filter takes in one of four values and returns out a string based on that value. Rather than writing all four tests, we're only going to write one test today, and I'll leave it as an exercise for you to write the other tests. Now, just like always, we know we need to invoke our module, so let's just start out with that. Now I'm going to write a test that verifies that whenever I pass in a 1 to the durations filter, it returns the string half hour. And as with services, I need to call the inject function in order to get my filter. But unlike services, with filters, the parameter that I pass in needs to have the suffix filter. Going back to the filters object, you can see that the name of the filter is durations, but when I want to get a hold of it, I give the parameter durations filter. Now my expectation will be very straightforward. The filter is just a function, and I pass in the value, and I verify that the output is what I expect. Now let's run that test and see what we get. Alright, you can see that the test is passed. But if I come in here and change the expected string, the test is going to fail. So as you can see, testing filters is really straightforward. I still recommend that you play around with this and write other tests around the durations filter, or your own filter if you have one to test.